FSC proves forestry blockchain isn't hype. It's catching fraud in real time. Everyone said blockchain in forestry was just hype. Then the Forest Stewardship Council deployed FSC Trace and started catching fraud in real time. Companies making false claims are getting blocked fast. Here's how blockchain just saved sustainable forestry from itself. The fraud epidemic. For years, sustainable forestry faced a credibility crisis. Certificate shopping, false origin claims, supply chain opacity. The 2023 Birch Plywood investigation exposed the scale. Transaction verification launched, 4 certificate holders blocked for false claims immediately. The blockchain breakthrough. FSC Trace changes everything. Traditional certification meant trust the paperwork. FSC Trace means verify every transaction on an immutable ledger. No more certificate shopping, no more false origin claims, no more supply chain opacity. Every tree, every cut, every transport, every sale, tracked from forest to final product. Companies can't fake what's permanently recorded on blockchain. The market integrity crisis. Why this matters: every false claim undermines legitimate certified producers, destroys consumer trust in eco-labels, and collapses premium pricing for verified sustainable wood. Blockchain doesn't just track wood, it protects market integrity. When consumers can't trust certifications, they stop paying premiums. When premiums disappear, sustainable forestry becomes economically unviable. FSC Trace saves the entire sustainable forestry market. The bioeconomy advantage. This is exactly why Bioeconomy Solutions built Paulownia carbon credits on blockchain from day one. Tree growth verified by satellite plus ground truth. Carbon credits minted only after sequestration confirmed. Retirement tracked on immutable ledger. Zero double counting, zero false claims. While others scramble to add blockchain verification, we've been blockchain native since launch. The 2026 transformation. FSC's 2026 priority, system integrity. Translation: blockchain verification becomes standard, not optional. The entire forestry industry is moving toward mandatory blockchain verification. The verification revolution. Bottom line, sustainability certifications without blockchain equal trust me. Sustainability certifications with blockchain equal verify yourself. The future of forestry isn't just sustainable, it's verifiable. Your turn for action. At Bioeconomy Solutions, we're already delivering blockchain-verified Paulownia carbon credits with satellite confirmation and immutable tracking. Ready to invest in verifiable, not just sustainable, forestry assets? Book a private consultation call at bioeconomysolutions.com.